Hello everybody, how are you guys doing? Well, I'm getting a little bit better. Thanks for asking, by the way. But I still can't work on my face, and I decided to work on my lips and the eyes. So keep watching till the end of this video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and just watch this video. First, I like to start with my lips, so I use a brown pencil for around it and for contouring. Do a fake smile and then do it. And then I use pink for the middle part of my lips. And a matte brown for the corner of my lips. And I fade it with the pink one. I prepare my eyelids, but I won't use a powder for fixing it because I want a lot of pigments, and that's the way to get it. And filling my eyebrow with a brow shadow. I use blue for the basic eyeshadow, and I have to blend it a lot because we didn't fade it, we didn't fix it with powder, so it's gonna be a little bit hard to fade, but we do our best. I have some fetish for blue eyeshadows and pink. I don't know why. With darker blue, and carefully use it for under this eyeshadow that we did. Take the color and blend it. Okay, it's time to do a beautiful cut crease right here so we can use orange on it. And don't close your eye until it's dry. I use this neon orange. My favorite part of every makeup, glitters. We are actually done, and it's fine, but we can also use aqua colors, black aqua color for the eyeliner. For these eye makeups, don't forget to clean the mess with concealer. And in this case, you can actually lift your eyes. I like to give another chance to this blue mascara, and I hope it doesn't let me down again. It probably doesn't. Let's take a look at it. I think it's nice. I really like the mascara. I used to hate it, but now I think it's fine. So we are finished with this makeup look. I hope you have liked this video because I actually enjoyed it. I really wanted to do the whole makeup. I'd probably do another video, or maybe do another makeup for myself and do the whole makeup with this eyeshadow because this deserves a party or something, anything, because I really liked it. I hope you liked it as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video if you like it as well, and tell me how do you think about this eye makeup looks, and don't forget to send me your beautiful makeups. Love you guys so much. Bye bye.